How to create a realistic VFX using AI. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this you can open up Viggle.ai and over here you can join the beta version of it, and it will prompt you to join the Discord invitation, and after that you can verify your account on this particular server and then open up any particular creator room of this particular server. And here we can type different commands and get the work done. Now how do we get different animations and the kind of animations that you want? You can check them out on the official website. Just simply click on this option of prompt, and here you get different actions. Now you can make any person do these actions. And how do we do that? For that you need to copy any particular prompt that you like. Suppose you want some person to do this particular stuff or this particular action, and just copy this particular prompt. After that open up the Discord room, and here you need to type / then select the option of animate. After that you need to just upload any particular image that where that particular person has the face, and after that this tool will take the face image and do the required VFX in order to do that particular animation. And in the prompt section we will have to paste the prompt that we just copied from the official website. In the background select the original background, or you can also get the green screen background if in case you want that. And after that in the fine-tune section just simply turn it on, and this way you would be able to just command it by simply typing the enter. And if the traffic is high in this particular server, then your video will be in queue and it might take a little while. Since I already posted this particular command some time ago, that's why I'm able to see it now, and you can check out the results. And there is a background music going on as well, and this is how it will appear. So it was just this image and it got converted into this. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.